There's a lot more here than what I thought. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extreme closet declutter. I've really been intrigued lately by this whole idea of minimalism and owning less stuff. So I'm going to be decluttering a lot of things, and I decided to start with my closet because I have a decent amount of clothes and there's a lot of things that I just don't wear anymore. So it's time to get rid of some things. This is my closet. I'm going to take out everything and only put back what I decide to keep. There's a lot more here than what I thought. I'm going to go through each piece and just hold it up and decide whether I want to keep it, I'll put it over here, or I want to declutter it and I'll put it over here. So with the clothes that I declutter, I am either going to list them on my Poshmark or take them to Plato's Closet. I'll list my Poshmark link in the description if anyone wants to check that out. I have the clothes somewhat organized. So first I'm going to start with dresses and jumpsuits. I have these two jumpsuits. I really don't like the way either of these fit, so I'm going to declutter both of them. I have this little like dress that I'm going to keep. I have two Lily dresses. This one I love and I wear it all the time, so I'm keeping it. And then this one I never wear, so I'm going to declutter it. I have one black dress. Whenever I find a black dress that I like better, I'm going to declutter it, but I'm going to hang on to it for now because it's the only black dress I have. I have two two-piece sets and I like both of these a lot, so I'm going to be keeping both of them. This dress I love. I wore it to my graduation, but I haven't worn it since and I don't really see myself wearing it again, so I'm going to declutter it. I have two maxi dresses. I really like this one, so I'm keeping it. This one, it is really too long and I've only worn it once, so going to declutter it. This dress is like my only fall dress and I haven't even gotten a chance to wear it yet, so I'm keeping it. But I'm decluttering this one. This jumpsuit is from Stitch Fix. I love it. I wear it all the time, so I'm keeping it. This one, I've never liked the way it fit, but it was one of those things where I bought it and couldn't return it, so going to declutter it. This jumpsuit is kind of hard for me. I love this and it's sentimental because this is the outfit I got engaged in, but it doesn't fit. It hasn't fit for a long time and it's not going to, so it's time to let go. I also have this Lily two-piece set that I'm going to keep, and then I have this dress which I've only worn once to a wedding and I've not worn it since, so going to declutter it. So that's all of that category. I think I'm doing pretty well so far. I have a couple pair of dress pants. I'm going to declutter these. There's another pair that I have that I really like that are currently in the laundry, but I feel like I need at least one pair just in case, but I don't need all these pairs, so I'm going to declutter these. This hanger just broke, but I'm going to keep these like maroon burgundy pants. I'm also going to keep these like faux leather pants. I'm going to declutter this pair of jeans and this pair, and then I'm going to keep this pair. Also going to keep this pair of jeggings, and I'm going to declutter this pair of jeans. Next, I have some shorts. I'm going to keep this pair of pink shorts that are really wrinkly right now. And I'm also going to keep this white pair with the black stripes. And I'm going to declutter this pair. Also going to keep these denim shorts. These are my favorite denim shorts. And then I'm going to declutter this pair, and this pair. These are a size 0. I'm not sure why I still have these because these were definitely before I had kids, so they do not fit now. And then I have a few pair of denim shorts that I'm going to hang on to for now. I just had a baby back in the spring, and right now they're a little bit too tight, but I want to keep them until next summer. Whenever I had my first child, I got rid of a ton of shorts and pants the summer after I had her, and then by the next summer I was able to fit that size again. So I kind of regretted that. So I'm going to hang on to those shorts for now. And then if I don't fit them by next summer, then I'll declutter them then. Moving on to tops. I'm going to be keeping this top, but this one I'm going to declutter. Keeping this one. Keeping this one too. And I'm keeping this one. I have a lot of graphic tees. I love graphic tees, but I do wear them all the time, so I'm okay with keeping several of those. Going to declutter this one. Keeping this. This is my only kimono, so I'm keeping it. Decluttering this. Decluttering this tee. Also keeping this graphic t-shirt. And this. This top I'm going to keep because it's my only like dressy top, and I may need it for something. This shirt I really like, but I never wear it, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter it. I'm going to hang on to this hoodie. I'm going to keep this off-shoulder shirt and declutter this vest. I'm going to declutter this shirt, but keep the vest. I'm going to declutter both of these sweaters. Keeping this top, I love it. I'm also going to keep this, decluttering this vest, decluttering this cardigan, keeping this white sweater, keeping this cardigan, keeping this top, going to keep this cardigan and the shirt underneath. Going to declutter this. This blue top is really pretty, but I'm going to declutter it. Okay, I'm finally done. That is my entire closet. And wow, I feel like I have gotten rid of so many things. I mean, this may not seem like minimalism to a lot of people, but for me, I think I did really well. So we will call this minimal-ish because it's a start. I'm going to continue decluttering things. So I think the next thing I'm going to declutter is my makeup. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.